People of the internet, welcome back. My name is Leech, as always. Orange light means music video reaction, and today I'm late to the party. I'm really late to the party. Nightwish released a song called Noise from their new album, which I actually don't know how to pronounce it. It's Human, whatever that is, to whatever that is, nature. Is it human to nature, or is it human something I don't know, nature? Please go down in the comments, write me what it is in a loudspeak so that I can actually read what it's and don't paste the thing down there. That would be interesting. I'm looking forward to the album. The thing that I'm actually really looking forward to is that this is a two-part album, 9 songs on one side and one long song on the second. This is going to be interesting. The last one that I reacted to was really long. And if they now produced a, I don't know, 50-minute long song, how is this going to be? But without further ado, let's get actually into Noise and see what it's about. Hopefully this is the first song that they actually made, which is produced for Floor. So I'm really, hopefully that is the case. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm really anxious to see if that is the new that everything is old is just okay. There was propped onto her, but this one is really, hopefully, really great. So without further ado, cue the intro. Okay. I took a part from the playbook of that Kojima game, right? Oh, that's an awesome shot. The digital noise. It's awesome. That costume. Hello, Instagram. His battery is empty! Okay. I like that stacking effect in the video. Oh. It's really cool. I like those. It's becoming older and older. Oh, now he's old. Bound to the screen, I guess that's the symbolic, right? Or the symbolism in that case. Really good video, really interesting story, really good new take. It is what I hoped for. That is first the case. This sounds, first of all, it sounds much better than Endless Forms Most Beautiful. From the audio quality standpoint, it feels like they somehow finally achieved to capture the band's spirit that they have when they play live, and the bombast and the massive soundscape onto an album, if that is the final product. And I'm really glad that they finally got something like that. Second, I like the way they are going. I like the message that they are trying to portray. Throw your phone away and actually look at what nature is doing, and go out and don't be deceived. No, well, don't be deceived as well, but don't be deceived by the lies that social media is telling you and the machine. I found the comment really interesting. The lies from the world where the sun does not shine, or something like that. That was really interesting. The video itself, I don't have to say much about that, because that was really great. That was a lot of different techniques and stuff, and a lot of small things that I could not pick up while watching and concentrating on the music itself for the first time. But I have to rewatch it once or twice more to actually get all the small details. But the stuff that I've seen, really clean, really good ways, I am more than pleased, and I'm really looking forward to the album now. And obviously, well, to some live gigs that I hopefully can actually go to. Thank you very much for watching. My name was Leech, as always. What is your opinion on noise? I am interested. You guys are on the same path as me. You know the old stuff, and now there's something new coming out. So we're you know, one way and some more. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, blah blah, comments, tell me stuff, and we'll see us in the next video. Until then.